I'm about to show you real ways to make consistent money on YouTube, even if you're just starting out. You don't need 100k sub. You don't need 50k sub. You don't even need 1000 subscribers. You just need smart strategy. Let's dive right into it. First things first, we're going to talk about YouTube AdSense. So what is YouTube AdSense and how does it work? So YouTube pays you through AdSense, but you need 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hour to qualify for monetization to start using AdSense and, get paid through YouTube from ads and all that. You already know all this. And how to boost your ad revenue is always to create longer content. This will increase your watch hour, increase your watch time. You have to use high CPM topics, which is finance, tech, business, etc. And then lastly, you need to post consistently to keep the views coming in. Consistency helps to build up your views, rack up your money, post more. That's why when you see when people get monetized, they start pumping out video because that's not the time for you to relax. That's the time for you to even start working harder. Okay. So next we have affiliate marketing. You must also have heard this. This is easy money making hack. Okay. Affiliate works. So how affiliate marketing works, you don't need to own the product at all. What you just do is to promote other people's products and earn a commission from it. There are so many affiliate programs that you can sign up for. If you're in Nigeria, Jumia has an affiliate. Some other brands have affiliate. Just find out those brands are interested in affiliate marketers, and then you get a link, you promote the product, you get commission if people use that link to buy. We have Amazon affiliate, TubeBuddy, vidIQ, Jumia. There's so much, and you can also sell digital products. That's also an affiliate. And courses. And the tips on how to do this is to drop links in your comment, drop links in your description about the product you're trying to sell or you're trying to sample. Mention the product naturally in your content. It could be a recommendation. You're recommending a product to people to use for a particular problem that your viewers are having. It could be skincare. If you're in the skincare niche, maybe they're having sports. You sample the product, get an affiliate link for the product that helped you with your sport or something, and then you refer that to your viewers or consumers, and then they buy and you get your commission from that link. Make use of your comment, pin the comment with the affiliate link in your comment for more traction, more views, for more people to see. The next is sponsorship, where you get paid to promote something. I already made a video on how to, reach out to brand as a small creator, how to get brand deals. I'm going to link that video in the cards. So watch that so you understand this section of the video on how to get brand deals from brands and make money doing that. There are also platforms that helps influencers connect with brand. We have Fiverr, we have Upfluence, we have Brand Connect. There's so many. So use platforms like that to connect with brands and get sponsorships and brand deals. You can also pitch yourself directly to a brand that you feel you resonate with, you can work with, and you can also promote their product very well for them. Again, check out that video. It's going to tell you how to do that. Show your audience engagement to the brand and like, oh, this is what I have. This is what I can do for you. This is what I can give you. Just watch that video. It's going to explain this part properly. And a tip for this is that brands don't care about your subscribers most times. What they care about is targeted engaged audience. So engagement is better than numbers. It sounds contradicting, but it's true. Like you can have 5,000 subscribers and you don't have engagement. Not one person will buy a product you sell. And you can have 1,000 subscribers and every single one of them will buy a product you sell. That is what brands are looking for. So just watch the video and understand that part better. The last thing is selling your own product and services. Your own digital product is equals to 100% profit. Trust me. I can testify to that. You can sell ebooks, you can sell templates, you can sell courses, you can sell tutorials, you can do one-on-one coaching, you can, offer consultation, offer coaching, offer auditing, editing, whatever your skill is, services or product, you sell it. For example, if you make videos about YouTube growth, you can sell a YouTube growth checklist or a YouTube growth guide, things like that your consumers, your viewers, your subscribers would need and actually use. Those are the kind of things you sell. Something that is giving them value, that they will actually need this in their lives. If you have a product, link your product in every video description. Link it. You can also give discount code to drive sales, to drive conversions also. So you now have real strategies to make money on YouTube, even with a small channel. If you use any of these strategies, you're guaranteed to make money here on YouTube without even hitting 1,000 subscribers. But the truth is you have to build your audience. You have to get audience that trust you. So if you want to do this, I'm going to link videos that will help you to grow your channel, build your audience, because you need people that will trust you, people that rely on you and depend on you before you can actually convince them to buy what you're selling. You cannot just create a YouTube channel today and say you're selling an ebook. Who are your audience? You don't have viewers, you don't have subscribers yet. Okay. So you need to build a community first of all. It doesn't have to get to 1,000 subscribers. Trust me, 500 community members is strong. As long as they are your community members, they believe in you. That is very strong compared to having 5,000 followers that don't even watch your videos. So build your community, grow, strategize, post the right way with all these tips I've given you. Then use this to make money and you'll see the results. I hope today's video really helped you. Let me know down in the comments which strategy you'll be trying to make money with, okay? And also share this video to somebody that needs to see it, somebody that this video will help. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out the cards for videos I've linked, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.